ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। नानाछिद्रकटोदरस्थितमहादीपप्रभाभास्वरं ज्ञानं यस्य तु चक्षुरादिकरणद्वारा बहिस्पन्दते जानामीति तमेव भान्तमनुभात्येतत्समस्तं जगत्। तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। Second Vartika we have completed in this shloka, and Acharya is establishing that Satta and Sphuranam, they belong to Parameshwara, Paramatma, and because of that it is reflected, it is expressed in all Vishayas. Further, that same idea is explained. Vishayanam prakashavat sattvam-api paradhinam iti atra yuktimaha. Vishayanam prakashavat sattvam. Vishaya being prakashavan and having satta, both of them are paradhinam. So, like Prakasha was explained in the second Vartika, and Prakashavat, like that Sattvam means Satta is explained in this Vartika. Paradhinam iti atra yuktimaha, in that yukti is presented. Yadva, or another way you can see the sambandha of this Vartika. Vishayanam ananyadhina prakashatve vishayatvanupapatti prasangam apadya ananyadhina sattayamapi tam apadayati pragurdhvancheti. Vishayanam ananyadhina prakashatve, Vishaya having ananya adhina prakashatvam, na anya adhina prakashatvam iti ananya adhina prakashatvam. So Vishayanam ananya adhina prakashatve means them, na anya means ananya. So that means they have their own prakashatvam. Then Vishayatva Anupavatti Prasangam. Then they will not remain Vishaya. They will become Vishayi. They will become the subject. They will not remain object if they have their own Prakasha. Vishayatva Anupavatti Prasangam Apadya Ananyadhina Sattayamapi Tam Apadayati. In the same way, if they have their own Satta, then what will be the problem that is presented here? So here also the problem will be, see, if you say Vishaya have their own Prakasha, then they will become Vishayi. If Vishaya have their own Satta, then what will happen? They will not remain Drishya, they will become Drashta. Because their Satta is independent Satta. The one which has independent satta is satyam, is drashta, is adhishthanam. So they will become swayam sattavan. So their vishayatva again will go away. Tam apadayati, that is being explained. Pragurdhvan chasatan sattvam vartamanepi na swatah tasmadishe sthitam sattvam pragurdhvatva vivarjite प्रागूर्ध्वं च सतां सत्वं वर्तमाने पिन स्वतः तस्मादीशे स्थितं सत्वं प्रागूर्ध्वत्वविवर्जिते प्राग ऊर्ध्वं च asatam, those which are not there earlier, prak asat, and urdhvam cha asat, later also they will be asat. Prag urdhvam cha asatam tesham sattvam vartamane api na आदावन्ते च यन्नास्ति वर्तमानेपि तत्तथा वितथै सदृशा सन्तः अवितथा मीन्स वितथैव वितथा इव लक्षिता मीन्स अवितथा इव लक्षिताः वर्तमानेपि न स्वतः सत्वं तस्मात् देयरफॉर ईशे स्थितं सत्वं देयरफॉर देयर सत्ता इज एक्चुअली इन ईश्वर सत्ता ईशे स्थितं सत्वं प्राग ऊर्ध्वत्व विवर्जिते ईशे दी सत्वम इन ईश्वर इज व्हाट काइंड प्राग ऊर्ध्वत्व विवर्जिते ईशे स्थितं सत्वम सत्व इन ईश्वर इज समथिंग which does not have prak and urdhva means it is not kala parichinna. Praga bhava and pradvansa bhava will be there for those things which are anitya. Ishvara is nitya. So in that which is devoid of prag and urdhva idea itself, which is beyond time, beyond kala, in that Ishvara. So Ishvara does not have prag abhava pratiyogi or pradvansa bhava pratiyogi. Anumanam is done in Tika. Vimata bhava na swatah sattavantaha. Vimataha bhavaha. Vimataha means there where there is viruddha matam. All padarthas regarding which there is dispute. So Siddhanti has something to say and all Purvapakshas they want to say something different. They are all vimataha. Na swatah sattavantaha. They are not swatah sattavan. Kadachideva upalabhyamanatvat. Because their upalabdhi is kadachitka. Sometimes they are available, sometimes they are not available. That means they don't have their own satta. Shukti rajatadivat ityartha. Hetu is kadachideva upalabhyamanatvam. And drashtanta is shukti rajata. So shukti rajata is kadachid upalabhya. When they do anumanam, it is very difficult to refute unless there is some defect in the anumanam. तथा च प्रकाशवत् सत्तापि अन्याधीना भावानाम इति सिद्धम इत्याह. Therefore, just as prakash is anyadhina, satta is also anyadhina for all padartha bhavanam iti siddham. अनन्याधीन सत्तावत्वे अस्य खंडाकार अनन्याधीन सत्तावत्वे अस्य आत्मवद अनन्याधीन प्रकाशत्वापत्तौ विषयत्व अनुपपत्तिरिति. So if they have their own satta, then they will become like Atma. Ananya adhina sattavatve asya atmavad ananya adhina prakashatva. So then they will have their own satta, their own sphuranam. So they will not remain vishayatva anupapattihi. ईश्वरस्य तु न प्राग ऊर्ध्वं च असत्व शंका अप्रकाशत्व शंका वा स्यात्. Ishvara does not have such thing where earlier there was no satta, then Ishvara came into being. After some time, when Jagat is not there, Ishvara also will not remain. It is not like that. And Ishvara means Atma Sphuranam is also there all the time. There is no time when Atma Sphuranam is not there. सर्वभावानां आगमापायी अवधित्वेन तस्य सदा सत्वात्. तस्य ईश्वरस्य परमात्मनः आगमापायी भावानां अवधित्वेन. अवधि मीन्स सीमाकरणम. अवधि मीन्स सीमाकरणम मीन्स it is the final thing that will remain when all other padarthas they have agamapayitvam. Just as Vishayas have Drishyatvam, Vishayas have Anityatvam, Vishayas have Panchabhautikatvam. They all are product of Panchamahabhuta. Whether Sthula or Sukshma, Panchikrita or Apanchikrita, they all are Bhautika only. And they have Agamapayitvam. Arrival, departure is their nature. Their avadhi is the sakshi who illumines arrival and departure of all, and before arrival of anything it is there. Atma va idameka evagra asit nanyat kinchan vishat. And after pralaya also Atma alone remains. That is who I am. Tasya sada satvat sarvavastha sakshi pratyagatma rupena sada prakashamanatvat cheti bhavaha. Sarvavastha sakshi, it is the sakshi of all avastha. Pratyagatma rupena sada prakashamanatvat. And as pratyagatma it is sada prakashamana iti bhavaha. So in this way the satta also belongs to Ishvara alone. Everything else has borrowed existence and borrowed consciousness. You can see Sureshwaracharyaji's style now. From beginning, he has taken this Satta Sphuranam and he has been consistently proving that it belongs to only Atma. Anatma does not have Satta, Anatma doesn't have Sphuranam. If you say Anatma doesn't have Satta, means they are Mithya, they are non-existent really, and they are only appearance. It will become clear. They don't have Sphuranam means there is no Jnanam of Vishaya by itself. Because of Atma Chaitanya they are appearing. So I alone have to be the source of their existence and their illumination. And through Shruti, Yukti, everything he is establishing. Vishayatva anyathanupapatti एव ईश्वराधीना. विषयत्वान्यथानुपपत्त्यैवेश्वराधीना सत्ता स्फुरता च विषयाणाम् आस्थेया इति उक्तम्. In the Vishaya, the Satta and Sphurati is Ishwaradhina. And how is it explained? Through Anyathanupapatti. Anyathanupapatti means through Arthapatti Praman. That if they have their own Satta, if they have their own Sphuranam, then they will be there all the time and they will be illumining themselves all the time. Now in that further problems are given. Idanim tadev sphutayati. More problems in them. Swayameva prakasheran jada yadi vineshwaram sarvam sarvasya bhaseta navabhaseta kinchana. Swayameva prakasheran bhaseta navabhaseta kinchana. Navabhaseta, another reading is navabhaseta. Na avabhaseta or na va bhaseta, that reading is also there. Swayameva yadi jadaha swayameva vineshwaram prakasheran. If the jada padartha on their own prakasheran, without Ishvara, without Atma Chaitanya, then what will happen? Sarvam sarvasya bhaseta. Everything will be known to everything, because everything is having their own Chaitanya. Sarvam sarvasya bhaseta. And that too all the time. All the time there will be illumination. See, in deep sleep, everything can go to sleep, everything becomes unavailable except Atma. Correct? In deep sleep. Because Atma has its own Satta and Sphuranam. So Atma doesn't go to sleep. Atma is awake. Imagine if all Vishayas had their Satta Sphuranam, Ahankar also had Satta Sphuranam. You can't go to sleep also. All the time you have to be awake. Sarvam sarvasya bhaseta. Or another problem would be na avabhaseta kinchana. Na avabhaseta kinchana, because nothing is Vishaya. Nothing will become drishya. Everybody is drashta only. Like you imagine if there are people who are there to serve, but nobody is there to receive the seva, then like Bhandara, people are there ready to give and nobody comes to eat anything. So everybody is drashta, there is no drishya. Sarvam sarvasya bhaseta nava bhaseta kinchana. Vineshwaram iti swatasiddha prakasha swagrahakam anapeksha ityartha. Everything will become swatasiddha and swatah prakasha swagrahakam anapeksha. Without expecting any grahaka, means any vishaya for themselves. So everything will become Chetana all the time. So it is like this. If you want to understand, Ghato asti nava. In a room, kakshayam, Ghato asti nava. A pot is there or not? So you can ask that question. Can anybody ask this question? Am I there or not? Am I in this room? Do I exist? Do I know that I am there? You cannot ask this question. Why? Because you are Chaitanya. You know that you are there, and you are there is also a fact. So Satta and Sphuranam both cannot be denied. So in this way, if all objects would have Satta and Sphuranam, then you will never have this kind of any question about anything. Because everything will have Swata Satta. Acha, consciousness never becomes an object of knowledge. How do you know? can I know whether there is another conscious person or not? Can I have the direct knowledge, means pratyaksha jnanam of Chaitanya? I cannot have. All I can do is I can infer that there is Chaitanya expressing in other beings. It is only anumanam. Why? Because there is activity. Now, whether that Chaitanya in other beings, is it belonging to them or is it because of me? That nobody will be able to tell. Can anyone say that there is another person, let us say? Chaitra wants to know whether Maitra has his own consciousness or Maitra is regarded as sentient being because of Chaitra's consciousness. So, the only thing that I can say without doubt is I am consciousness. I am conscious being. Anybody else, whether they have consciousness or not, nobody will be able to tell. It is just like in dream. I am there, other people are also there, and I think all of them are sentient beings. I am also one of the sentient beings moving around here and there, experiencing the world. All that sounds valid until I wake up. When I wake up, I realize all of those had my consciousness alone expressing. They all had borrowed consciousness. So, it is like that in Jagrat also. Nothing has its own satta, nothing has its own spuranam. So, sarvam sarvasya bhaseta nava bhaseta kinchana. So, if everything is shining all the time, it will be like sun. Sun having illumination, sun keeps on shining all the time. It is never that sun is not available. Like that, all padarthas will be shining all the time. Sarvam sarvasya bhasatam ma va bhasishta kim tata iti chet tatraha. Let everything shine, illumine on their own, and everything illumine everything else, or doesn't illumine. What does it matter? Sarvam sarvasya bhasatam. Sarvasya, for of all, sarvam bhasatam. Let everything become illumined for all illuminators, or doesn't illumine. Ma bhashishta. Ma bhashishta will be ma abhasishta. Lung lakar it should be. You can check. Is there lung? Yeah, it is lung lakar है. भस, हाँ, भस धातु. Mangi lung is the sutra. What is the sutra? Mangi lung. Mava bhashita. Kin tata, what would happen then? Iti chet tatraha. Tasmat sarvamagnyam va. Jagat syadeka rupakam. Tulye swayam prakashatve. जडचेतनयोर्मिथः तुल्यमेव प्रसज्येरन् ग्राह्यग्राहकतादयः। तस् जडचेतनयोर्मिथः तुल्यमेव प्रसज्येरन् ग्राह्यग्राहकतादयः। तस्मात् सर्वज्ञम अज्ञम वा जगत स्यात् एकरूपकम। द एंटायर जगत आइदर विल बिकम सर्वज्ञ, एवरीबडी विल बी सर्वज्ञ, एवरीथिंग विल बी सर्वज्ञ, और अज्ञम वा। सी थ्रू युक्ति ही इज प्रूविंग दैट चैतन्य कैनॉट बिलोंग टू अनात्मा थ्रू युक्ति। And then Shruti is obviously there that Chaitanya is the Satta and Spuranam is the Swarupa of Atma, which is there all the time. Nahi drashtuhu drashtehe viparilopo vidyate avinashitva. That which is Nitya Avinashi, its drashti doesn't go, its Satta doesn't go. सर्वज्ञम अज्ञम वा जगत स्यात् एक रूपकम। द होल वर्ल्ड विल बी ऑफ द सेम नेचर। तुल्ये स्वयं प्रकाशत्वे जड़ चेतन योर मिथः। एंड एवरीथिंग बीइंग स्वयं प्रकाशत्वे तुल्ये जड़ चेतनयोः मिथः परस्परम द म्यूचुअल जड़ एंड चेतन तुल्यमेव प्रसज्येरन् ग्राह्य ग्राहकतादयः। So other normally what is the case? Chetana is the grahaka, jada is the grahya. Jada vastu becomes known, Chetana is knower. If everything is Chetana, then this mutual distinction will not remain of what is the drashta, what is drishya, what is vishaya, what is vishayi. That bheda will not remain. So Chaitanya also either will become Vishaya or nothing will become Vishaya. Everything will be Vishayi only, everything will be Drashta. So no Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasa Gandha will be available then. Sometimes in anyway, no need of explaining that part. यदि सर्वम सर्वस्य सदा भासेत तदा सर्वम सर्वज्ञ स्यात्. If everything would be known to everybody all the time, then everything will be सर्वज्ञ. यदि नैवम भासेत, and if it is not known at all, तदा सर्वोपि अज्ञ स्यात्. Then everything will become अज्ञ. Means how you should understand. If everything has their own satta, everything will be sarvagnya. If satta and spuranam. If everything doesn't have their own satta and their own spuranam and also does not have Ishvara satta and spuranam, then Vishaya will not be there, everything will be jada, ajnam, and it will not be known also. A thing is existing is known only when Atma Chaitanya, Satta and Spuranam is available there. If Satta and Spuranam is not available through Pratibimbita medium, then whether that object even exists or not, nobody will know. Let us say in my room also there is some dirt, one grain of sugar fell down somewhere. Ant will come and eat that. Okay. That means the ant pramata knows that sugar grain prameyam, and in that ant Chaitanya is present. So without consciousness, even a grain of sugar will not be known. Nothing will be known. So you need consciousness. So whether it is human consciousness or animal or insects or birds, Devata, Gandharva, somebody, Brahmaji, somebody has to know it, and they will know it only through Chaitanya. And that Chaitanya, Sakshi, Atma is one, and that is me. So if nobody knows and nothing is having Chaitanya, then Agnyam. If everybody has Chaitanya, Sarvagnyam. Vishayanam api atmatvavat, atmavat, swayam prakashatve dushanantarama. Another dushanam, if Vishaya had their own swayam prakashatva like Atma, tulyam eva prasajyeran grahya grahakadad. Experiencer experienced, all will be same. So just like we say, move this pot from here to there, pot will say, move this fellow from here to there. So how we treat objects, objects can treat people, because all are Chaitanya only. So if we are sitting on asana or chair or somewhere, then chair will say, you sit on me for some time, I will sit on you for some time. Because they are also Chaitanya. Grahya Grahaka Vyavastha Anangikare Doshama. And if you don't accept Grahya Grahaka Vyavastha, then what will be the other problem? Indriyanama Niyamat Chakshusha Syura Sadaya. Indriyanama Niyamat Chakshusha Syura Sadaya. Indriyas would not have any niyama, indriyanam aniyamat. Because any indriya, all indriyas can experience any object. There is no grahya grahaka. Right now there is a regulation. Chakshur indriya can see only rupa. But if niyama is not there, then chakshusha hasyu rasadaya. Rasa, gandha, shabda, sparsha, chakshu can know anything. Because each chakshu is sarvagnya. Tvagindriya is sarvagnya. Tvagindriya will start seeing things, start tasting. There is no niyama. Chakshushaha syu. Instead of syuhu, syu. Visarga lopa, ukara dirgha. Because of rori dhralope purvasya dirghonaha. 2 sutras. सर्वस्य सर्वग्राह्यत्वे सर्वग्राहकत्वे चक्षुरपि रसादिग्राहकं स्यात् रसादयोपि चक्षुर्ग्राहकाः स्युः. Chakshu will become rasadigrahakam, and rasadi they will start experiencing chakshu also. Rasadayopi chakshu. This will be like a comedy. The whole life will become a comedy. So it can happen in like children's animation movie, how we get laughter, but it is not possible. Tasmat Vishaya Vishayi Vyavahara Niyamasya Sarva Prakashakatvavade Virodha Prasangat. So if everything has their own prakasha, then Vishaya Vishayi Vyavahara Niyama will not function. There will be Virodha. Swata Sattayam, and if they all have their own Satta, Vishayanam, so Purva one is Swata Spuranam. If they have Sata Satta, then Swarupa Avyabhicharitva Prasangat. They will always remain all the time. There is no Pralaya, there is no Sushupti, nothing. Swarupa Avyabhicharitva Prasangat. And they will always remain young, always remains young, like that. Outside my room, I can see one bird, and there is a lizard and they are facing each other and that lizard is poor guy on alert because anytime this bird can do anything to him. They are like less than 10 inches apart. This is Swata Spuranam. Okay. अन्याधीन सत्ता स्फूर्तिकाः विषयाः अन्यश्च स्वतः सत्ता स्फुरणवान् ईश्वर एव न अन्य इति सिद्धम् इति पर्यवसितो अर्थो बोद्धव्यः. So Vishayas having anya adhina satta and sphuranam, one thing we should understand. Second, anya different from all of them, anya is swatah satta spuranavan Ishvara. Ishvara having swatah satta and spuranam. And na anya. Ishvara anya. Na anya iti siddham. Means anything else doesn't have satta spuranam. Only Ishvara has. Iti paryavasito artho bodhavyaha. This is the final concluding meaning we should understand. ननु ईश्वरो भावेषु सत्ता प्रकाशयोर व्याप्रियते न वा. ईश्वरः व्याप्रियते. Does Ishvara do any vyapara? Means to give satta and sphuranam to Vishaya, does Ishvara do anything? Satta prakashayo bhaveshu vyapriyate nava. Does he do any vyapara or not? Na chet, if he doesn't do anything, then na satta bhavanam ishte. Bhavanam satta na ishte. The padartha would not have satta. Why do you say that? He says, Akasha is all pervading. Akasha has, means according to the other darshanas, they have their own satta. Akasha has its own satta. Akasha is nitya, according to Tarkikas. And Akasha doesn't do anything. Akinchit karatvat, Akashavat. So, even though Akasha is in proximity of all, because Akasha is Vibhu, Akasha is Nitya, but Akasha is Akinchitkara. It is actionless. It doesn't do anything. And if it does do anything, then it will become Vikari. Vyakriyate chet, Vyapriyate chet, Vikaritvapato, Vyapri, not Vyakriyate, make it little clear. So if Ishvara does any vyapara, then he will become Vikari. Vikaritvapato, then there, wherever there is Vikara, that thing will be Anitya, Anityatvad, Anishwaratva Prasanga. Then that Ishvara will become Anishvara. So if he doesn't do anything, then he is Akinchitkara like Akasha, and nothing should happen actually. And if he does do anything, he is Vikari. Iti chet nayam dosha. There is no defect in this. Swato nirvyaparatvat upadhi ayatta vyaparavatvacha iti matva. We have something very wonderful called upadhi. Swata there is no vyapara, but in upadhi there is vyapara. So through upadhi everything can function. Upadhi ayatta. Ayatta means adhina, dependent. Upadhi ayatta vyapara vatvacha iti matva कर्तृत्व ज्ञातृत्व ईश्वरस्य उपपादयति. So now Ishvara has कर्तृत्व and ज्ञातृत्व or not? What will be the answer? स्वतः न कर्ता न ज्ञाता. but upadhyayata kartata jnatrata cha. So with upadhi he becomes karta jnata, without upadhi no karta jnata. मलिना मलिनादर्श पश्चात् प्राग भागतुल्ययोः क्रियाशक्तिज्ञानशक्त्यो रन्तःकरणभागयोः प्रतिबिंबे स्फुरन्नीशः कर्ता ज्ञातेति कथ्यते. मलिना मलिनादर्श पश्चात् प्राग्भागतुल्ययोः क्रियाशक्तिज्ञानशक्त्यो रन्तःकरणभागयोः प्रतिबिंबे स्फुरन्नीशः कर्ता ज्ञातेति कथ्यते. मलिन अमलिन आदर्श पश्चात् प्राग भागतुल्ययोः क्रियाशक्ति ज्ञानशक्त्योः अंतःकरणभागयोः. आदर्श, a mirror has two sides, प्राक and पश्चात, front and back. The front portion is amalina. It is very clean. Means they rub it with certain kind of stone so that it has the ability to reflect. And the behind portion is malina because it is colored. So that part cannot reflect. And actually because that side is colored, therefore front side is able to reflect. You know, right? This is how the mirrors are. So, Paschat Bhag and Prag Bhag of Adarsha, Malina and Amalina. The behind portion is Malina, front portion is Amalina. Similar to that is this Atma having the Samashti Antakarana. If you take, Antakarana will have Kriya Shakti and Jnana Shakti. Malina part will be Kriya Shakti, which is the Rajo Tamo Guna part. And Amalina part is the Sattva, the shining part, which is where there is Jnana Shakti. So, Kriya Shakti, Jnana Shaktiyoho, Antakarana Bhagayoho Pratibimbe Sphuran Ishaha Karta Jnata iti Kathyate. Because of that, Ishvara is called Karta and Jnata. So, in the Antakarana Upadhi. And here, you can take individual also. That individual also has Jnana Shakti Karta, Kriya Shakti, both, because I, the Atma, having the Antakarana Upadhi. One is the mind portion, another is the prana. Prana is for Kriya Shakti, Mano Buddhi for Jnana Shakti. Sitika. Malinascha, Amalinascha, Malina Malinau. Dvandva Samasa. Samahar. Adarshasya Paschat Prak Bhagau. Malina Malinau. Adarsha mirror has behind portion and front portion as Malina and Amalina. Malina Malinau cha Tavadarsha Paschat Prag Bhagau cha iti tatha. Malina Malinau, they are the Adarsha Paschat Prag Bhagau cha iti tatha. So this is tatha means Malina Malinau Adarsha Paschat Prag Bhagau. This is another Dvandva. Tattulyayoho iti vigraha. So they are the same part. Malina Amalina and Paschat Prag. Tattulyayoho iti vigraha. This is Karmadharya. Malina Malinau cha Tau. Tau is there. So it will become Karmadharya. Malina Malinau cha Tau Adarsha Paschat Prag Bhagau cha iti. तथा तत्तुल्ययोः इति विग्रह एवं विधयोः क्रियाशक्ति ज्ञानशक्त्योः इन दिस वे दीज आर ऑल सप्तमी विभक्ति क्रियाशक्ति ज्ञानशक्त्योः अंतःकरणस्य भागयोः इन अंतःकरण भाग क्रियाशक्ति रूपो भागः प्राणः क्रियाशक्ति रूप पार्ट इज प्राण एंड दैट इज स आदर्शस्य मलिन पश्चात भाग इट इज द बिहाइंड पोर्शन विच इज द डर्टी पोर्शन पेंटेड पोर्शन पश्चात भाग तुल्य है पश्चात भाग हलंत इज नीडेड पश्चात भाग तुल्य यस नो दिस विल बी कर्मधारय स आदर्श मलिन प्राक भाग तुल्य हाँ भाग विल नॉट हैव हलन सॉरी भाग विल रिमेन एज स आदर्श अमलिन भाग अमलिन प्राक भाग तुल्य द ज्ञान शक्ति पार्ट सो द मलिन पार्ट इज द पश्चात भाग एंड ज्ञान शक्ति ही मनोबुद्ध्यात्मको भाग स आदर्श अमलिन प्राग भाग तुल्य इट इज द फ्रंट पोर्शन विच इज अमलिन विच हैज ज्ञान शक्ति मनोबुद्ध्यात्मक भाग इति विवेक सो इन दिस वे टू पार्ट्स आर देयर भागयोरिति सप्तमी द्विवचनम दीज आर ऑल सप्तमी द्विवचनम तयोः प्रतिबिंबः प्रत्यगात्मनः प्रतिच्छाया देयर प्रतिबिंब इज रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ आत्मा कॉन्शियसनेस तस्मिन् प्रतिबिंबे स्फुरन् तद्गत प्रतिबिंबाभेदेन स्फुरन् ईशः आत्मा कर्ता ज्ञानी इति च कथ्यते इन दैट तस्मिन् प्रतिबिंबे इन दैट प्रतिबिंब स्फुरन् तद्गत प्रतिबिंब अभेदेन सो इन देम the pratibimba which is there pratibimba abhedena sphuran ishah pratibimba abhedena means it doesn't remain separate from pratibimba like how our reflection is different from us our face etc atma and its reflection there is no distance between them pratibimba abhedena sphuran so between चैतन्य एंड चिदाभास और चित प्रतिबिंब देर इज अन्योन्य अध्यास ऑल्सो स्फुरन ईशः आत्मा कर्ता ज्ञानी इति च कथ्यते आत्मालोन इज कर्ता ज्ञाता व्यापारवत प्राणोपाधि ही दी व्यापारवान इज प्राण उपाधि सत्ता स्फूर्ति प्रदत्वेन अनुगम्यमानः इट द प्राण उपाधि गिव्स सत्ता स्फूर्ति प्रदत्वेन अनुगम्यमान में दैट विच परवेड्स सत्ता स्फूर्ति इन प्राण ऑल्सो चिदात्मा करोति इति व्यपदिश्यते सो चिदात्मा अलोन becomes the giver as though of satta spurti so prana is doing everything because of the chaitanya and satta available but the sentence would be chidatma is doing everything means I am doing everything I am hungry I am thirsty I am breathing everything is actually of prana but chidatma karoti iti vyapadishyate this kind of vyapadesha is there in the same way परिणममान मन आदि उपाधि ही सत्ता स्फूर्ति प्रदत्वेन अनुगम्यमानो जानाति चिदात्मा जानाति इति व्यपदेश भाग भवति इत्यर्थ पीपल विल से अहम जाना आई नो सो अहंकार डजंट नो और मन बुद्धि डू नॉट नो बाय देमसेल्व्स बिकॉज ऑफ आत्म चैतन्य दे हैव सत्ता स्फूर्ति एंड देयरफॉर दे हैव द एबिलिटी टू नो व्यपदेश भाग भवति कह चिदात्मा चिदात्मा व्यपदेशभाग भवति इत्यर्थः। व्यपदेशं भजति इति व्यपदेशभाग, so that becomes the receiver of this kind of definition. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murtiveda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.